Find it out. Which book? You want to read Dixie Dog? Okay, let's read Dixie Dog. Dixie Dog wins the race. You want to read? You want Daddy read or James read? Okay, Daddy read. Dixie wins the race.
Move the book on your side a little bit so yeah.
Emma loved to run. Dixie loved to run too. Come on, Dixie, Emma said. Come and see my track team run. Dixie yipped, and then she yapped. Dixie didn't want to watch. She wanted to run. Today, Emma was going to run a relay race. I will run the last part of the race, Emma told Dixie. You can't run with me, but you can cheer for me. Be good, Dixie, said Emma. Sit, stay, cheer. Sit, stay, cheer. Good job. Dixie sat beside the track to watch. She wanted to run, but she had to be good. Huh? You want to hold Daddy?
Yeah, Daddy report.
Oh, you want the high five? Okay, high five. High five. Dixie sat beside the track to watch. She wanted to run, but she had to be good. She knew what to do. Sit, stay, cheer.
James say with Daddy now.
Sit, stay, cheer. Okay, James' turn to say it. Sit, cheer. Good job. High five. Good job. Yeah, sit, stay, cheer. Yes. On your mark, said the coach. Get set, go. The first runners took off. Each runner carried a stick. Dixie watched Emma's team. Her legs shook. Dixie wanted to run. She wanted that stick.
Really fast, Daddy, to
The first runner ran one lap. Then she handed the stick to the next runner on the team. The kids ran fast. Dixie could run fast too, but she had to be good. Sit, stay, cheer. The second runner passed the stick and the third runner took off. Emma lined up. It was her turn to run. Dixie stood up to watch. Emma got the stick and she ran. Dixie opened her mouth. She took a deep breath. It was her time to cheer. Ow! Ow, 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 ow! Ow! Ow, 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 ow!
Okay, James turn. James turn. James turn. James turn. Louder. Okay, James turn đi. Do it again. Louder. Louder. Okay, James turn. James turn đi. James turn. Louder. Okay, good, good. Daddy report. Daddy report.
You want this one?
Ow, mommy, I'll feel.
Next page? Okay. Everyone heard Dixie James cheering. Everyone turned to look at Dixie. Emma turned